Today we're tackling a common question dears face when installing a new kitchen faucet. Should you use the gasket that comes with the faucet or opt for Plumber's Putty? Hey everyone, and welcome to the Kitchen Faucet channel. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay updated with all our latest home improvement tips. Let's start. Most faucets come with a pre-made rubber gasket that sits between the faucet base and the sink. Gaskets are designed for a quick and easy installation. If the gasket fits snugly against the faucet and sink surface and remains flat when tightened, it's likely a good choice. Plumber's Putty is a petroleum-based putty used to create a watertight seal around plumbing fixtures. It's a good choice for uneven surfaces or if the faucet gasket doesn't create a perfect fit. Convenience, no need. For additional materials, cleanliness, no mess. Compared to Plumber's Putty, manufacturer's choice, often the recommended method by the faucet manufacturer. Versatility, conforms to uneven surfaces for a better seal. Durability, can last longer than gaskets, especially with proper application. Not universal. Gaskets may not fit all sink and faucet combinations perfectly. Durability, over time, rubber gaskets can wear out and lose their seal. Messy, can be difficult to apply cleanly. Cleanup, excess putty needs to be removed after installation. Not recommended for all faucets. Some faucet finishes, like nickel or chrome, can be damaged by Plumber's Putty. Use the gasket if it fits snugly, the sink surface is flat, and the faucet manufacturer recommends it. Use Plumber's Putty if the gasket doesn't fit well, the sink surface is uneven, or you're unsure about the gasket's quality. When using Plumber's Putty, apply a thin, even layer around the base of the faucet. Avoid getting putty on the faucet finish. Clean up any excess putty with a damp rag before tightening the faucet. For some sink materials, like granite or composite, silicone caulk might be a better option than Plumber's Putty. By considering the factors we discussed, you can choose the best method for installing your kitchen faucet and ensure a leak-free connection. If you're still unsure, consult your faucet manual or reach out to a professional plumber for advice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY plumbing tips.